What's up guys, welcome back to another remote work from home job video. In this video, I want to cover two companies that will train you for a job. You get paid training. Training is anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks depending on which company or which job it is, but you get paid training. It is completely remote. You're going to do this from home. Then you get the job, then you get paid to do the job. There is no degree required. There is really no experience needed since they're going to be training you. The only thing you need here is a high school diploma or the equivalent of a high school diploma. And of course, if you have some sort of experience, just about any job experience, then that would give you an edge over other applicants, right? But you don't need it. Also, these jobs can pay you anywhere up to around $4,800 per month. So we're talking about jobs here that are going to be ranging from anywhere from, let's say, $15 per hour up to around $28 per hour. And again, these jobs don't require a college degree. They train you and there's no experience required, right? So with that said, let's dive into this video and talk about these jobs. But just before we do that, just a quick reminder, guys, if you are new here, if this is the first time you're coming across this channel, seeing one of my videos, my name is Ian, and on this channel, I talk about ways to make money, whether online or offline. I talk about remote jobs and everything personal finance related. So if you're into making money online, especially online, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll appreciate it. It's completely free, won't cost you anything. Also, be sure to subscribe with the notifications on. Tap the notification bell. That's the only way you get notified of when I post new videos. That way you never miss the updates of when I find new high-paying remote work from home jobs. If you guys ever want to talk to me one-on-one, you can find me on Instagram. Link is down below. And also, before we jump into this first job right here, I just want to mention the pro resume templates right here. So if you're struggling not being able to land any interviews and you think you need some help with your resume, I created some professional eye-catching and interview landing resume templates that are easily customizable. They come with section by section instructions. They're also ATS optimized. This way your application just doesn't get discarded before even a real human gets to look at it and review it. So you're getting 3 templates, matching cover letters, reference pages, thank you letters, all come with step-by-step instructions on how to customize them for the specific job that you're applying for. And also there's a video here showing you how you can easily customize these templates in under 5 minutes. You don't need to buy any software to edit these templates. You can do it with Google Chrome, or not Google Chrome, you can do it with Google Docs rather, which is completely free. You can do this on your smartphone, your tablet, your laptop, your MacBook, just about any device that has the internet. So that is there. Also, if you want help landing jobs, I created the ultimate job hunting guide, because doing research, I found out that the average time it takes for you to land a job is about 5 months. I know that sounds like a long time, but that is actually the average, and that starts from the date you send out your first application. And also that is with you sending out roughly at the minimum 50 applications per week. So if you're not sending out 50 applications per week, and you're also not sending out applications, every week or every day, then it's gonna take you considerably, on average, longer than 5 months to land a job. So in this job guide, I'm breaking down the entire process here, going through how to write an eye-grabbing cover letter, how to create the perfect, unique resume so it stands out from all the other applicants, how to find the perfect jobs that will match with your skills and your experience. Even if you don't have any experience, even if you're fresh out of college, I give tips for that as well. Where and how to find these jobs, especially remote work from home jobs, how to research and ace the questions that are gonna be in your interview, and also top most asked interview questions, and also some bonus tips. So if you think you need this resource, it's here. Links are down below to these 2 resources. So with all that said, let's dive right into the video. So the first job I wanna cover today is gonna be from UnitedHealth Group. They're hiring a customer service representative, and this is remote if you're in the Central or Eastern time zone. So the primary location is Dallas, Texas, but it is remote once you're in Central or Eastern the Eastern time zone, right? So for this job, they're offering you, it is full-time, Monday to Friday. You are gonna be required to work anywhere in between 9:30 to 6 p.m. And occasionally overtime as well, depending on the season and the workload. So that is extra money as well. They offer 4 to 6 weeks of paid training, and the hours of training will be anywhere from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Monday to Friday. So if you're available for that, then you can definitely apply for this job. Paid training sounds good to me, especially if you don't need any experience per se. Now, required qualifications for this job, you need a high school diploma or equivalent, or even if you don't have that, they say or equivalent work experience. So either way, entry level or really close to it. Also here it says a minimum of 2+ years of combined education, work, and or volunteer experience. I mean, if you have a high school diploma, that counts. You definitely did more than 2 years there, so that counts. Also, ability to work any full-time shift between the hours of 9:30 a.m. and 6 p.m. Monday to Friday, with the availability to do the occasional overtime, and you need to be at least 18 years of age or older, right? Now they have preferred qualifications. These you don't really need, but if you have them, then it kind of gives you an edge over other applicants who may have these. Maybe all the applicants won't have every single thing here, but they may have a few of them. So if you have some of these, definitely highlight these in your job application so your resume stands out. Other requirements, you need to reside somewhere in the Eastern or Central time zone. Also, need to have the ability to keep all company sensitive documents secure. Need to have a dedicated work area established that is separated from other living areas. So just like a home office or somewhere at home where you can basically work distraction free. No one will be distracting you. There won't be any noises, kind of like somewhere private. So that's what they're looking for. Also, somewhere that you can get a high-speed internet connection. I mean, it is 2024. Hopefully, if you're in the Eastern or Central time zone, you do have high-speed internet connection. And as for compensation here, it says $16 to $28.27 per hour. But this is going to be different for different people, of course, depending on your qualifications and your work experience, of course, and that will determine what you'll be earning here. But still, really good opportunity here. Again, you don't need a college degree. It is completely remote. You get paid training, and you can make up to $28 per hour doing this job. So if you are interested, I'm leaving the link down below. Be sure to apply for this one. Also, if you don't know much about the UnitedHealth Group, you can go over to Glassdoor. They're listed here. They have a 3.7 out of 5-star review overall rating here, which is really good. 70% would recommend to a friend, also really good. They have a ton of reviews here. I mean, if you just look at some of the reviews on the company overview here, for example, great benefits, flexibility, schedule flexibility, great pay. Cons, need to be hardwired into your internet. You need to have a wired headset, must stay within the company for a year. I don't know why that person put that there. These are not really cons to me. I mean, if you're doing this type of job, then you will need a hardwired internet because they want that to be a stable internet connection. Other reviews here, very good, 4 out of 5 stars. This is for IT project manager. This was for customer service, so it's more along the lines of that job that we just looked at. And if you want, you can go through all the salaries here to see on average what people are making based on the position. So for CSR here, they're making on average $40,000 per year. Ranges anywhere from 35 to 45, and this is based on over 700 salaries submitted. So I think this is going to be pretty accurate, so that you can keep in mind, or if they ask you how much you want to earn, you have an idea of what to tell them. Now, next job on the list is going to be at Activus Connect. I think I've covered this sometime in the past, probably a couple months ago, but here they have a couple open positions, or 2 right now. They have one for a financial analyst and also a customer service ambassador. They are virtual, remote, work from home jobs. So we click on this one, for example, here. For this one, you don't need a college degree. All you need to do is to be able to complete and pass a background check. They also provide you with, as they say here, we will pay you to complete online training, but you must commit to attending 100%, no missed time. So again, they are paying you for training, which is great. They want someone with at least a year of call center experience. So that's kind of like the downside here. So if you have that, then good for you. Good job to apply to, but if not, the one before would be probably better. You must also have a high school diploma or the equivalent. Here, they're giving you like the specs of the computer that you'll be using for work. So you need a desktop or a laptop, Windows 10 or 11, all the specs here. You can go through all this stuff, and then you need to complete your application here. Now for this one, it doesn't pay as much. You're getting $15.25 per hour. It's a full-time position, no part-time available. Training is paid at that same rate at $15.25 an hour as well. And after 60 days, you're eligible for benefits, which include medical, vision, dental, and a 401k plan. Also, this position is completely remote. It's 100% work from home, and usually you're gonna be working anywhere from Monday to Sunday, and some weekends may be required. So keep that in mind if you have that flexibility. So another good entry level or close to entry level job for you guys to apply for. I'll leave the link down below. If you've never heard about Activus Connect before, they're also listed on Glassdoor with a ton of reviews here. For example, on the company overview page, they have a 3 out of 5 star overview, overall rating rather. Review here, 5 stars, great job, quick advancement, training was thorough, great team, good benefits, and pay was good for the job, Monday to Friday, weekends off. Cons could be moved around a lot, but they always find me a team. So good enough reviews here. I mean, you guys could go through all the reviews. They have over 300 reviews here and also over 400 salaries. So you guys can actually see what people are making. So for example, this job right here, I think it was customer service ambassador, based on over 130 salaries submitted, the average is right around $39,000 per year, ranges anywhere from 32 to 48,000. So kind of really close to the UnitedHealth job. Really close. That one was just around $40,000. So it's kind of around the same thing. So I'll leave the links down below. Go ahead and apply if you are interested. Remember, you have to apply ASAP because usually after posting these videos, the job listings usually go away in a day or two because of the amount of people that are going to be applying here. So you want to go ahead and seize this opportunity as soon as possible. Now, if you've ever worked at the UnitedHealth Group or at Activus Connect before, comment down below, let me know what the experience was like, and also for anyone else that watches this video. Also, comment down below, let me know the highest you've ever earned working as a customer service representative or in a similar role remotely, so I know, how much you guys were able to earn. That way I can find the jobs that are paying around that or even higher for you guys and make videos about those. So with all that said, all the best with landing a job, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next one.